Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Okay, children, what is our today's subject? Social science. Very good. What is our lesson name? Topic. Will you able to remember that one? Yes. What is that chapter name? Our country. What is the chapter number? 5. Fifth lesson. And the topic is our country. A small recap for you. India is the dash largest country, 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is also called Bharat. Okay. A country is also called a nation or a state. This one is a physical map. In this physical map, different kinds of colors are there. Each color represents one special thing. A physical map shows mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers. Brown color, mountain. Yellow color, desert. Orange color represents plateaus. The green color shows the plains. And then one more thing, the Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world, it is in Nepal. The Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world, it is in Nepal. The next one, what is this, children? Yes, mountains. What is this? Mountains. This one is Himalayan mountain. This is the picture of the mountain, the Himalayas. The mountains are very high lands with pointed top. High lands with pointed top. Okay, children, the highest point of this mountain is called Mount Everest. Its height is 8,848 meter and it is the tallest peak in the world. The next one is plains. Plains, it will be flat and level land. The plains, it will be flat and level land. It suits for agriculture. Next one, here it is green in color. In physical map, the green color represents the plains. And then the important rivers. What are the important rivers in this northern plain? Sutlej, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Okay, children, these rivers are the main rivers of northern plains of India. What are the three rivers? Once again, I will repeat. Sutlej. What is the first one? Sutlej, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Here the next one is plateau. It also has flat area, but it is little bit higher than the plains. See here, it is little bit higher than the plains. It represents orange color. What is that? Orange color. And then it is rich in minerals. What is the shape of this Deccan Plateau? Triangular. What is the shape? Triangular. Here the main rivers. Shall we see that one? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri are the important rivers of this Deccan Plateau. The next one, the Plateau of Tibet. The Plateau of Tibet is the highest plateau in the world. The Plateau of Tibet is the highest plateau in the world. It is known as the roof of the world. It is known as the roof of the world. Now we are entering in today's session. Put today's date. What is today's date, children? 10/10/20. Put today's date. What is our today's topic? The desert and the coastal plains. The desert and the coastal plains. Thar Desert. The first one, the deserts. The deserts are shown in yellow color. What is the color? Yellow color. Deserts are sandy areas. Deserts are sandy areas. There is no water or very little water in these areas. Okay, children, there is no water or very little water in these areas. They get scanty rainfall. That is, the amount of rainfall, it will be very, very less in amount. The camel is the main animal of the desert. Camel also gets another one name. What is that? Ship of the desert. The only desert in India is the Thar Desert. The only desert in India is the Thar Desert. Okay, children. It lies in Rajasthan. It lies in Rajasthan. Thar Desert. It is the only desert in India. It lies in Rajasthan. What is the next one? Coastal plains. See, children, you can able to see this green color. Look at the green color areas along the Arabian Sea. What is this? Arabian Sea, and this side is Bay of Bengal. These are called western and eastern coastal plains. Western and eastern coastal plains. North, south, east, west. So this side, this one is eastern coastal plains, and this eastern coastal plains, this one, and this one is western coastal plains. Okay children, it lies, that eastern coastal plains lies along the Bay of Bengal, western coastal plains lies along Arabian Sea. The next one is island. The island are land masses covered by water on all its sides. Island is nothing but area covered by water on all its four sides. Okay children, see the islands located on the Arabian Sea. Children, here you can able to see that small dots, no? Yes, these small dots are, what is that? These small dots, you can able to see it here, no? Yes, that one is islands. Okay children, here in this Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, in this Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, there are the Lakshadweep Islands. These are the Lakshadweep Islands. The islands in the Bay of Bengal are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay children, quick review. India is my country. It is also called Bharat. A physical map shows rivers, mountains, plateaus and plains. Next one, the Himalayas are in the north of India. Plains are flat and level land. They are generally shown in green color. The northern plains of India are very fertile. It suits for agriculture. The Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape. The Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape. It is rich in minerals. It is rich in minerals. The shape of the Deccan Plateau is triangular. The next one, the coastal plains, eastern and western, are very fertile. Here, this one, the eastern and coastal plains are very fertile. The desert is the sandy, dry area. Desert is the sandy, dry area. Thar Desert of India lies in Rajasthan. Okay children, scanty means very little. Shall we move to the book back exercise now? Yes. Multiple choice question. The seventh largest country in South Asia is? Yes, very good. India. The shape of the Deccan Plateau is triangular. The Thar Desert lies in the state of Rajasthan. The height of the Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Next, fill in the blanks. The plains are generally shown in what color children? Yes, green color in map. Dash is the highest plateau of the world. Plateau of Tibet. Dash desert lies in Rajasthan. Thar Desert. Eastern coastal plains lies along the Bay of Bengal. Next one, Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. What island? Lakshadweep Island. Bay of Bengal means Andaman and Nicobar Island. True or false? The first one, India is the second largest country. False. Seventh largest country. Next one, the Himalayas are in the north. Yes, it is true. The Ganga flows in Deccan Plateau. No, false. Ganga flows in northern plains. The next one, the highest peak in the world is the Himalayas. Yes children, the highest peak in the Himalayas, that Mount Everest, is the tallest peak in the world. The next one, camel is an important animal of the coastal areas. No, it is an important animal in the deserts. Okay children. The next one, match it. Himalayas. What is it? First, what will the answer will come? The Himalayas, North, Thar Desert, Rajasthan, Lakshadweep, Arabian Sea, Deccan Plateau. Its shape is triangular. Then Ganga, it flows through the northern plains. Now we are entering into our homework part. Find the answers. Write the answers for these questions and send it to your class teacher to children. First question is, what is a desert? Next one, name the main three rivers of the northern plains. Third question, name the two island groups of India. Fourth one, name the main rivers of the Deccan Plateau of India. Here northern plains, here Deccan Plateau. Okay children, I hope you all understood this session. By this session, we completed our lesson 5 children. Okay, we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.